Hi, I'm Rosemary, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about the Model-Based Definition Certificate Program here at Purdue University. First, let's take a look at documentation and how it's evolved over the last few decades. Traditionally, products were designed using a drawing, and this is known as a drawing-based approach because whenever more information was needed about the model, you would refer back to this 2D drawing. As CAD systems evolved, we had the ability to define these products in 3D space and then automatically push that information out to a drawing, and this was known as a model-centric approach. But as we look ahead, model-based definition takes those two documents and combines them into one 3D model that contains all the information that you need in order to produce, inspect, and do a whole host of other activities around that part. You can imagine if the very first steps in that process of the product, such as industrial design, was started in the CAD system, that information could easily be passed on to analysis very early in the design stages. With that information, you might be able to determine more feasible manufacturing approaches earlier on in the process, which would help you, of course, with things like process planning, packaging, and even beginning to make things like technical documents and understanding the sustainability of that product. This is not a complete list, but hopefully gives you an idea of all the different areas and aspects of a product's life cycle that are affected and can benefit from a model-based definition approach. Who typically takes our class? Industrial designers, design engineers, manufacturing engineers, really anybody who would need access to information about that product throughout its life cycle. The course is available in Creo, NX, CATIA V5, and SolidWorks. And you don't need to have a license to these CAD systems. We provide an environment for you that contains the necessary licensing required to complete the course. Because we know that it's hard to get out of the office and can be costly, we offer two methods of training online. The first is the virtual instructor-led, where you would have a WebEx session live with the instructor and go through the materials on a set schedule. We also offer the self-paced online option, where you can complete the material at your own pace, on your own time, but still have access to the instructor should you have any questions throughout the course. When you complete the course, you'll be familiar with MBD methods, you'll better understand the benefits, and you'll be able to author that information. You'll get a certificate from Purdue, and you'll also earn continuing education units. If you want even more information, you can go to purdue.edu/PLM. Click on the blue box in the middle of the page, and that will give you more detailed information on the Model-Based Definition Certificate Program, along with my contact information. And you should feel free to contact me directly if you have any other questions about the course. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you in a class in the near future.